Cambodia prepares for Teachers' Day, honoring educators' role in nation building. A teacher instructs her pupils at Prek Leap Primary School in Phnom Penh's Kroi Changva district. Post staff. As Cambodia gears up to celebrate Teachers' Day on October 5th, the Ministry of Education, Youth and Sport has called on the public to honor educators with videos, pictures, poems and other creative expressions under the theme Teacher Development for Building Human Capital towards Cambodia's 2050 vision. This year's celebration highlights the crucial role of teachers in shaping the country's future. Ministry spokesperson Kwan Vicheka emphasized that teachers are central to the government's strategy for transforming Cambodia into a developed nation by 2050. She highlighted that teachers make up 68% of the country's 124,517 education staff and are seen as the heart of education. Vicheka explained that teachers not only ensure the quality of education, but also help orient children and youth towards becoming capable citizens, equipped with the necessary skills to contribute to the nation's progress. A broader reflection on the value of teachers was shared by Chort Bunthong, a researcher and philosopher at the Royal Academy of Cambodia, who emphasized the timeless importance of educators in building human resources, imparting knowledge, and instilling morals. In any country, teachers play an essential role in training the next generation of professionals, businessmen and leaders, he noted. However, Bunthong also addressed the fluctuating societal value placed on teachers throughout history. He pointed out that while educators have long been valued for their moral and educational contributions, there have been periods, such as during the Khmer Rouge regime, when they were targeted and persecuted. I cite the clear example that during the Khmer Rouge era, teachers were targeted for execution, Bunthong told the Post. In modern times, while some individual teachers may misbehave, it is important to recognize that not all teachers are the same. Overall, teachers still play a crucial role, despite the shortcomings of a few individuals, he added. Even today, Bunthong acknowledged, teachers may be undervalued due to their economic situation, with low income and limited resources often deterring talented individuals from entering the profession. Despite these challenges, he underscored the need to honor teachers for their lasting impact on society, emphasizing the importance of the day in reminding people of the dignity of the profession and its significance. This year's theme aligns with the country's broader ambition of achieving its vision for 2050, recognizing that quality education is key to national development. The Pentagonal Strategy, a cornerstone of the country's growth plan, identifies human resource development as essential to reaching this goal, and the ministry's focus on teacher development is at the heart of the vision. The Teachers' Day initiative encourages both students and citizens to show their appreciation for educators. It's important for people to celebrate something as crucial as the teaching profession rather than trivial matters, said Bunthong. The continued support for educators through creative submissions and national recognition fosters a sense of pride in the profession, ensuring that teachers feel appreciated, especially as Cambodia works toward its ambitious 2050 goals.